Hello everyone, and welcome to JH Official Voice Educators. In today's video, we'll discuss a fundamental topic, how to verify if a blockchain transaction is successful. Whether you are dealing with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other blockchain network, verifying a transaction is a critical step. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the step-by-step process. Let's dive right in. Section 1. What is a blockchain transaction? Before we jump into verification, let's understand what a blockchain transaction is. A blockchain transaction occurs when you send or receive cryptocurrency, execute a smart contract, or perform any other action recorded on the blockchain. These transactions are recorded on a decentralized ledger that is public and immutable. A transaction is considered successful only after it is confirmed by the network. Section 2. Key components of a blockchain transaction. To verify a transaction, you need to know about these key components. 1. Transaction hash, TXID. Every transaction generates a unique identifier called a transaction hash. This is like a digital receipt for your transaction. 2. Sender and receiver addresses. These are the wallet addresses involved in the transaction. 3. Block confirmations. A transaction is added to a block on the blockchain. The more confirmations it receives, the more secure it is. Section 3. Steps to verify a transaction. Let's go step by step to verify a transaction. 1. Obtain the transaction hash. After initiating the transaction, check your wallet or exchange platform for the TXID. This is essential for tracking your transaction. 2. Use a blockchain explorer. Go to a blockchain explorer specific to the cryptocurrency you are using, such as Etherscan for Ethereum, Blockchain.com for Bitcoin, Polygonscan for Polygon. Copy and paste your TXID into the search bar of the explorer. 3. Check the transaction status. Once the details load, look for status. It should say success or confirmed. Number of confirmations. Different blockchains have varying requirements, but 3 to 6 confirmations are generally considered safe. Sender and receiver addresses. Verify that the funds were sent to the correct address. Amount transferred. Ensure the amount matches what you sent or received. Section 4. Troubleshooting delays or failures. What if your transaction doesn't appear as successful? Here's what you can do. 1. Delayed transactions. This can happen due to network congestion or low gas fees. In this case, you may wait for the transaction to process. Resubmit the transaction with higher gas fees if the network allows. 2. Failed transactions. This could be due to insufficient funds, invalid wallet addresses, or technical errors. Check the error details in the Explorer and contact your wallet or exchange support for assistance. 3. Stuck transactions. On some blockchains, you can cancel or replace a stuck transaction by using the same nonce with a higher gas fee. Section 5. Best practices for successful transactions. To avoid issues in the first place, follow these best practices. Always double-check the wallet address before initiating a transaction. Use appropriate gas fees, especially during high network traffic. Ensure the wallet or exchange supports the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Keep the transaction hash safe for future reference. Conclusion. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily verify the success of any blockchain transaction. Remember, having a transaction hash and using reliable blockchain explorers are key to seamless verification. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to JH Official Voice Educators for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.